So you might be wondering, what is Santa doing in the beginning of my videos? Well, I'm even dressed in red because I kind of feel like Santa Claus today because I have a truly, truly insane offer to hand to you. I'm going to tell you all about it coming up my review of James Renoug's holiday special. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can perform successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil up here. Now, if you are new to the job, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that you can go ahead and skip ahead because I make the same stale, boring jokes every single day, day in and day out. You'd think I would get a new line. I always tell Bart about it, that he should get a new line. But hey, you know what? I like my jokes, so I tell the same jokes all the time. So what? You know what? And it's Christmas season, so you can be forgiven to me, right? Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things: review software and info products and make money on my niche. And why would I do such a thing about Explorers by Race? Let's make sure that you don't buy much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Or, you know what? As I just said, it's the holiday season right now. So, in the holiday season, I'm going to forgive you for making the same line over and over again. Each time people forgave me, I'll forgive you. But please, in the new year, get a new line. But seriously, to make these more cheerful like a product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. I also do a live video of line mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. And may I wish you a very, very happy holiday season. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, or whatever it is you're celebrating. Eid al-Fitr, I think, is happening for my Muslim friends. I know it sometimes happens around this time of this year, but anyway, but seriously, really, really excited about this one. So, if you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified of dropping videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and not wasting time. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for James Renough's holiday special. Now, this is every single one of the products that James has released this year for one special price. I'm going to show you each individual sales page. I want you to see what exactly you're getting here, because this is truly an insane price tag for this package. Okay, basically you're getting every single one of his products, each of which I think that each one goes about $12 to $15 or so. Let me see. This one is $19. Okay, this one is also $19. Let's see, this one. Yep, they're all $19 now. All right, so literally, yeah, every single one of these is $19. Incredible. Let's see how much the Oracle crypto is going for. I don't remember anymore. Some of these I actually talked about previously in reviews, but some of them I didn't. Just want to take a quick look here. $19, 19. Let's see. Yep, every single one of these is 19 bucks. Okay, so yeah. All right, so yeah, every single one of these is $19, but don't go visiting these individual sales pages. I pull them up so you can see what they are. Go to this sales page where with my link, and you're gonna get every last one of these for $17. Okay, all of those products are going to be a lousy 17 bucks. Now, of course, that alone is truly bonkers, but in the holiday spirit, I am really playing Santa Claus today. And so in addition to handing you all of this, I'm giving you a whopping 35 different products. Okay, every last one of them comes with resale rights. You can sell these, you can give them away, use them as a bonus, use them as the basis of your own product. They all come with the right to resell them or give them away, whatever you want. Okay, every single last one of them. If you're on YouTube, just check the link in the description below. If you're on my website, you're going to see the list of every single product that is included with this package. 35 of them all included. Now, of course, I am not done yet. So James does have a few upgrades. So for $97, he's going to let you pick up all the upsells for these products, or I think there's another one that's $97, which is going to give you his previous products from previous years. And then he's got a few that are memberships, which cost you $1 to try the memberships. So here's what I'm going to do for you. If you pick up either of the $97 upgrades, I am going to hand to you the 100% commission upgrade for both Storyist and Dominate Email. That means that you get to sell these as your own, and you keep every single last penny of any sale that you bring in. Okay, you get for the main product for OTO1, OTO2, OTO3, all of those things. You're going to keep all of the commissions for these things. I get nothing, you get all of it. Each of those upgrades, by the way, currently goes for $137. Okay, that's the actual price of each of those upgrades. You're going to pick up all of James' stuff, plus you get those things as a bonus from me for $97. Okay, and again, that's on top of the 35 products with resale rights that you're already going to be getting from me. May pick this up for a lousy $17. Okay, this is truly, I don't think I've ever done anything as insane as this bonus, but I really, really want to make sure that you are getting insane value for the holiday season. And so that's why I am going to go ahead and give this to you. Let me show you the members area real quick. It's basically just a download link. You're going to get all of these downloads that you can go ahead and download. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different products you're going to be able to download for your $17. And again, it's all inclusive. Everything is there for you. It's just a Dropbox link you're going to get. They're going to be downloading everything from. So very, very easy to download the whole kit and caboodle. Okay, so let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip I have to the product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yeah, seriously. Okay, huge use of my hat. Seriously, if the guy behind me wasn't a painting, he'd be tipping his hat also. This one is massive. It is amazing. Grab this. You are going to love it.